guys, and welcome to my channel. Here I am back with another meal planning video, and this one is for the month of April. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill out my dates. I use my meal planning binder that I had made myself. I'll link it in the corner here for you to see how I made this binder. So I went ahead and I kind of did some research with my family and wrote out things that they would like to eat for the month of April. So it helps me out a little bit more with planning out, sorry, that's my dishwasher, with planning out the meals. So I'm gonna fill out, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill out the dates in. So if you watch my other ones, you know the drill. First thing I do is I fill out my dates, and then I look at my big calendar or my calendar on my phone and figure out when we're away, when I don't need to cook, if there's tournaments, competitions, or if we're hosting a dinner party. So that way I can put those right in the calendar. So right now I know that on the 7th, we will not need dinner because we are away on at a dance competition. As well, I will not need dinners for these dates because we are yet at another dance competition. I will probably create a different menu for these days, and let me know down below if you would like to see how I create a menu for when we are away. So we don't eat out as much as, and I bring some food. And then over here is Easter weekend, so I know I will be making fish on Friday. Saturday we're at one set of parents, and Sunday we are at the next set of parents. So I will not be needing anything there. Now for the Saturday and Sunday over here, we are in town for dance competition, so I will do a pot roast here in a slow cooker, even though we don't have a schedule yet, but we are in town, so that way I can just pop in and we can have dinner late or early at home. And then I'm gonna need something here as well, which is another dance competition, but I'm thinking I might do something for the barbecue for that day, just so it's quick. I usually on Sundays we finish up earlier, so I might do like hamburgers. Okay, so now I think this is it. I know that on the 16th I will need a quick dinner because I have a hair appointment. Maybe make a beef stew. What I mean by quick dinner, I am at home, so I can cook in the afternoon, but something that's not gonna take too much time to clean up after, if I'm leaving it up to my husband or my kids to clean up. So I have that beef. Now I'm gonna go over my list here and pick up all the other beef dishes and fill them in. I'm trying to do it once a week so I don't overdo the beef or pork, kind of give it a variety. Black pepper steak, stir fry, and I know that's on my Pinterest, so I just put it in the little brackets so I remember that it's in my Pinterest. And then I'm just gonna cross the meals out as I put them in. I also have spaghetti, so I'll put spaghetti here and cross it out. And I think that's all. Oh, pesto beef, so I will do that right here. This is a new recipe I am trying out. I'm sure it will be in my what's for dinners, because I do post those once a week as well. Then I'm gonna start with chicken. I have a lot of chicken, so I'm thinking twice a week. We had roast chicken this week, so I'm not gonna do it here, but I will do green curry and garlic chicken bites. And I've done this recipe, but I'm just putting it in to the location of it so I can find it easier. Then the next week I will do Korean chicken thighs. And so I'm gonna cross that out. Did I cross garlic chicken bites? And I did green curry. I'm gonna do chicken schnitzel. And then moving on to here, I can do roast chicken. And I will do chicken Alfredo. And I'm going to do tacos here, and I think I'll do turkey. I'm just gonna put thigh chicken wraps. Then I'll do Cajun chicken thighs. Okay, so I think that covers it for chicken. My son wants homemade pizza, so I'm gonna do that here because we can take it for lunch then for here if I make enough. Sometimes it gets eaten. It is one of our favorites. Oh, I still have chicken left over here. Maybe I'll fill that in later. So I'm gonna put pork loin. I'll figure out the recipe once I get closer. I'll put sausage and potatoes. That might be barbecue too, depending on the weather. Let me put those in here. So I will do butter chicken here. What do I have left? Do some sort of a fish here as well. And I'm running out of stuff. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this chicken Alfredo to here and put the side chicken here. And I'm just gonna flip-flop these and do butter chicken and Cajun chicken here. Fish. I'll do fish here. And then I have one left. And I might do Vietnamese pork chops on barbecue. And that's the seasoning is on Pinterest. That completes it. Easy when you don't have to do that many dinners, but I'm trying to incorporate fish, but fish is not a very popular dish at my house. So apparently neither are the burritos, which I love, but I am including some wraps like turkey tacos and chicken wraps. And I'll probably just keep the burritos for my lunches. But other than that, it's done. So what I do is when the week approaches, so for next week, I use my sheets that are over here and I will plan out my next week. I usually plan out breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And lunches I plan out for myself, the daycare, and the kids for school. And I don't always keep the meals in order. Sometimes I will flop them. Sometimes if there's no meat on sale, I do not want to pay the prices sometimes that they ask for meat, so I might have to switch things around. But this just gives me an overall idea of different meals that I can serve to my family over the span of a month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're brand new, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. I post these type of videos usually at the end of the month. I also post what's for dinner, what we ate for dinner, and I share some of these recipes with you. All my kitchen related recipes are usually on Fridays, so if that's something that interests you, would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. And for all of you that are return watchers, thank you so much. It means so much to me to have you here. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.